Miwako, welcome back to my channel. Today I have finally a closing haul video. I know that I've been doing a lot of anime figures unboxings. I did not notice that it was like I've been doing like 4. So yeah, I'm so sorry for making you wait. I'm working on some Mori girl content, if you didn't know, but I need a little bit of time to prepare them. So for today I'm just going to do a kind of quick video of some of the things that I have gotten quite some time like from Depop, and I still have more, but I wanted to make this video as short as possible. So without any more waiting, let's go ahead with the first item. So all of these items are Mori, or you could make it work for Mori girl fashion. The first one, which is not a Mori girl brand, but it maybe can work, is a very old piece of Liz Lisa. It is actually the only Liz Lisa piece that I have. My favorite Liz Lisa pieces were like the old ones, but they're very tiny. This one fits me by a miracle. But yeah, it's a very cute jumper. It has the polka dots, it has the laces, even at the bottom. It is very cute. The only thing that I don't like are the buttons, because they are like too fancy for me. I like very shabby looking stuff. But yeah, it is a very weird kind of jumper, to be honest, because yeah, it's kind of weird, but it's cute. It has elastic on the back, and the material of this, I think, is cotton. So yeah, it's comfortable, but I feel like it's a little bit tight of me. I mean, it was a miracle that I fit it. And it's a little bit, I feel like it's a little bit too tight over here. So, but it looks very cute. And even though Liz Lisa always makes short, like very short length dresses on pieces, I feel like it's the perfect length for me because I am 5'1". So yeah, this is my first piece. Oh, and it also has pockets, which is very nice. It's very soft, which I really like. But yeah, it has most of the things that you will normally see on a Mori girl piece. Someone could easily think that this was like a Wonder Rocket piece or something similar like that. So this was a very nice like finding. I would like to know more about the old Liz Lisa pieces that might fit me. But yeah, the current ones are not my favorite. They are very cute, they're very sweet, but I don't like when pieces look kind of like too, like they look perfect for working in an office. So that's what I don't like. I like very shabby stuff. So so another piece from another brand that it is not necessarily Mori, but many pieces can work with it. It is Femme. I wore this on my Wings lookbook inspired video. It is also my only accent Femme piece, and I think that it looks very cute. It is a bit tight on my butt area, so I don't know if I'm going to be selling it. So that's kind of sad. It also has the same stuff, you know, it has crochet, it has laces, the colors are muted, it is floral, it has the tools. Yeah, it's very cute. If it wasn't for the chest part, I would have said that this was very comfortable. Femme compared to Liz Lisa has different kind of mini brands. So some of them look more shabby than the others. Some of them look a little bit more like Liz Lisa, like very dressy. It says Femme, so I guess this is just from the main collection. I don't know how old this is. But yeah, I also got it on Depop. Oh, I didn't know if I showed you, but it has bells. So that's very cute. And I think it just stretches a little bit. So, but yeah, I only wear like sport bras, and I feel a little bit on my chest. So I'm going to see what I'm gonna do, because you know, even though I like it, there's still so many dresses that I like online. So I don't think I'm gonna be missing this one that much. Another brand that I got on Depop, surprisingly, was this very cute skirt from Francelipe, which was a Japanese brand that sadly closed down. I think it was last year. That was very, very sad. The creator still makes a lot of pieces, but she is making them under her name, I think. She still makes a lot of very cute, like, and cozy pieces with frills, and they're very expensive, so I wanna buy from her one day. There's just so many places where I really wanna buy from, and I'm still wanting to get stuff from Taobao. But yeah, it's very cute. I really love how pastel it is. This is not a natural fabric, but this brand was very, very popular on the Mori Girls magazine. The fabric of this is chiffon, I guess. But it has the cute bunnies and birds. And remember that you're supposed to be like mainly kind of trying to wear natural clothing, but you can, you know, do a little bit of shit over here and over there. And even though if I wear this, I might be wearing a very nice cotton or linen blouse, and you know, my stockings and all the fussy cutesy stuff, so this won't matter really. But it's very, very comfortable. It is super soft and it's very cute. I was really, really happy when I found this. I don't think I paid a lot of money. And yeah, it's in perfect conditions actually. Now this blouse is from a shiny store, and I know I have seen like the logo. I have seen it. So it is this blouse. It looks a little bit pink on camera. So it's very, very comfortable. I think I can wear this as pajamas too. I actually did not notice it. But yeah, it looks very, very cozy, very cute. It is like a sandy color floral blouse, and it has the cute laces at the bottom. Very, very cozy and cutesy and pastelish, just like I like. I think it's cotton and it stretches quite a bit, which is very, very nice. Yeah, it is very, very, very cute. The last piece that I'm going to show you, which was a big like find. This one I did not get it on Depop. I actually got it from not Lace Market. I forgot the other website. Like similar from Lace Market. I might put the name over here because I just forgot. It's the, you know, J Fashion version of Lace Market. I forgot. So I got no order than one piece of the very, very old and popular Mori Girl brand from Taobao. Dearly. It is a very popular piece because you might have seen the photo of the piece a lot online, and I cannot believe that I got it. It is completely beige or ivory. So it's this dress over here. It kind of looks like a wedding dress, to be honest. But yeah, this is a very popular dearly dress. It has a lot of details. I cannot believe how in perfect conditions this was. You have the logo over here. Feel kind of sad because they're no longer like making Mori Girl pieces. Like they're making kind of cottagey looking stuff, but it's not very natural. So it's very, very sad. This is a little bit worn because it has quilted fabric on the back, and it has many layers, to be honest. Like I can easily just wear this without so much stuff and be cool because it is very like bulky and stuff. And I don't remember how much it cost me. I might have spent like maybe $50 or something like that, which for something very old I guess is expensive. but since dearly is, you know, gone, I just had to. So yeah, I would like to find more dearly pieces, but I don't know how easy they're going to be, because it's not like buying from Japanese stores like, you know, Lisa is popular, or Femme. So you search and you find it, but this is a Chinese brand, so I don't know how popular this was in Japan. I actually haven't tried to search for dearly. I don't know how to say it, but yeah. It's very cute. I really love it. I actually haven't worn it outside because, as you may guys know, I live in Florida, so a lot of these items that I have, or this, it's kind of like impossible to wear over here if you don't shit over here and over there. So yeah, I have to do my tricks. So this is everything for today's video. Like I said, I have more items to show you. Some of them you might have seen on other photos or videos that I have done, but I didn't want to make the video like very long. So I also have shoes. I wanted to make a video of a thrift store that I got stuff from. It is not a sponsor, it will not be a sponsored video, but I just got so many items from the store that I thought that maybe I could, you know, promote the thrifting store by showing you everything that I have gotten so far from them. I don't know. So about the Mori girl contents that I've been thinking about or doing, it's I don't know if I should talk about it or leave it as a surprise, but it's Japanese tags. So I know that a lot of you don't know also how to buy from Japan, so I'm also making, or I will start making a video on how I buy from Japan using a third-party service, because that's the only way so far from what I know. I'm also making a video of Japanese tags that you can use to search Mori girl pieces or similar pieces on Japanese website or Japanese search engine. So yeah, that's what I'm thinking, because a lot of people in Japan already don't really remember or don't know what Mori girl is. So you have to use the magical words like on Depop, you know, like blouse, shabby, I don't know, cottage, you know, those kind of words that I use on my Depop video, but translated in Japanese. I'm also making a PowerPoint. Maybe if I can, I will try to share the link, so it's a lot more easier to, you know, copy and paste the word. So yeah, that's what I've been thinking. And I'm going to keep posting videos about Ami packages. I know that it might not be your thing on this channel, but I just have like 10 boxes and I need to get rid of that. There's just so many things that I wanna do. There's so many things that I like, and it's very hard to balance this channel. I also have been practicing more embroidery, and I wanna do more embroidery stuff, but I would like to practice off camera first before, you know, filming, because I tend to just do stuff with my camera always, and I just don't take my time alone without thinking of video content, so I kind of suffocate myself. So yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know about this. I guess these are updates of my channel. So yeah, please, the people who are waiting for Mori girl content, please don't wait for those videos. Don't forget to check my other videos as well, and also share my Mori girl videos if you have liked them so far. It really helps my channel. So yeah guys, what was your favorite piece? Like I said, my favorite piece has to be the dearly and the bunny skirt, because it's very cute and it's very soft. Don't forget to leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and I hope to see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.